Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi everyone, good morning. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today, we're going to make potatoes and spinach curry, which I have done many times, but I'm going to show again because I'm cooking it. So here are some nice red potatoes. I prefer the red ones over the white ones because over time I have seen something wrong with the white potatoes. They have patches and patches of dark patches inside, and half of the potatoes are actually gone wastage because of that, and they do get spoiled easily, I guess probably because of GMO potatoes. And so I got the red ones feels like much more saving price wise because you don't have so much wastage, but we don't know how long we will have red potatoes without all these diseases. Now here I have some fresh spinach, and so what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add too much to it because it tastes good by itself. So I'm going to wash it and chop. Usually I chop it and then I wash it because then it's easier. So I'm going to chop it and then wash it off, and I wash the spinach many times because usually they have mud in it. So, and then I'm going to show you what to do. It's very simple. So as you can see, I have little bit of asafoetida, cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon oil, and I got 2 chopped up garlic, and I'm going to roast it, and then to that I'm going to add my chopped clean spinach and cut up potatoes, and then I also add some spices like salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and vegetable masala powder. And this does not need any onion or ginger, just garlic. That will give the taste. So here are my chopped and clean spinach, and here's my cut potatoes. So here I added my salt, turmeric, garam masala, and vegetable masala powder, and my spinach and potatoes, and I'm going to cover it up with a cover and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are soft and the spinach is fully cooked. So here's my spinach and potatoes curry, and this tastes really awesome. You can eat this with bread or rice or just by itself. So it's amazing. Try it sometimes. Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do a small grocery haul. So this is my red onion, and these are my cabbages, and this my cereal, and my so this is my cereal and my pancake mix. So here are some frozen vegetables. I have sweet peas, and I have green beans, I have broccoli, and this is fruits, bananas, and then these are carrot, broccoli, and cauliflower. This is some potatoes, red potatoes, and these are some electrolyte drink, and here's some mixed vegetable, which is corn, beans, carrot, peas, and there's some salmon for my friend, and here's some mandarins. There's some blueberries I got, and apple, ginger, spinach, and there's some snack food for my friend, and I get some muffin and some sweet potatoes and a watermelon. Okay, so that's my small grocery haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Good night.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.